So you can see. This is like I'm eating dawat. So this was our Lamha restaurant, flavorful desi moment. So ये हमारे रेस्टोरेंट के ओनर हैं तो जो बताएंगे कि इस रेस्टोरेंट में क्या क्या मिलता है और क्या क्या मेन्यू चेंज होते हैं.
यहाँ पे हर रोज बफे अलग अलग लगता है.
So this is the restaurant, how it looks like. We have Lamha here, and this is the entrance here.
तुम हवा बन मेरी सांसों में उतर जाओ.
My goodness, where are you right now? Sanvi, Misha, we are eating Christmas dinner. No, not dinner, it's lunch actually. And where are you right now? And this is the food, some of vegetarian options and non-veg options also.
The food is authentic.
So where are we right now? You can see mushroom paneer, mushroom with matar, dal makhani, methi paneer, noodles, and this is pakoda, and this is some salad. So where are you right now? Where are you?
We are in Van Salem, and the name of the place is Lamha.
Ah.
The food is authentic.
So how are you feeling, Sanvi? You feeling? So she's eating non-veg, and we are eating some veg options here. So this is restaurant, how it looks like, and they have buffet options here, and then some you can order also like the menu whatever you need, and also they have banquet hall. So if you're booking like for some events, they have options here. Yes, so how's the food actually? Taste wise,
Taste food is good. Paneer and dal makhani is awesome, like Punjabi.
Okay, so let's eat together. So I'm just starting now, and this naan is looking so cute, so fresh. So Misha, what happened? What are you eating actually? You're not telling me nothing. She was feeling hungry, so she came here in afternoon. Time is 1:47. So yes. You okay? Okay. So let's start.
सॉस रखे, स्वीट सॉस है क्या है?
हाँ, स्वीट है. Food is so authentic. Dal makhani, like what we wanted, the actual flavors we are getting here actually. Right, Misha? No? Let me show you the noodles. What are you eating? She's been eating by herself. So you can see. This is like I'm eating dawat. So we are eating here this chutney with the onion. ये तो वैसे ही रेस्टोरेंट याद आ गई इससे. Last time we came here.
Yeah, but I saw you.
So right now we are showing you what we got right now. So I'm gonna show you the things what they have in menu. So I think they change every time, but this is right now the menu, and food is so good. So if you're living in Bensalem nearby, or you in Pennsylvania, so you can come here. Sanvi, mutton कैसा है? How is the mutton? This is mutton, like mutton curry, actual mutton curry, and this is chicken curry.
Yeah, chicken curry.
Misha will eat it, which I will feed her.
Chicken mummy curry.
You enjoying your food?
और ये वो देखो कितना अच्छा फिश खा रही है. अभी तो खाना चल रहा है. मिशा कैसा है? जूस कैसा है बेटा? जो खाना कैसा है तुम्हारा?
हाँ, अच्छा खाना है. अच्छा है, ऑलमोस्ट डन होने वाला है अभी तो चल ही रहा है. अभी लाते हैं कुछ और भी.
मिशा कैसे खाना लगा सामने?
बहुत अच्छा.
है? How is the food?
Sanvi,
I am getting cucumber.
getting cucumber. So this is the menu. They have chai and salads here with chutneys and mango juice, mango shake, and some Manchurian soup. And this is rasgulla, not gulab jamun actually. So, and this is Manchurian, and they have this veg hakka noodles and mushroom matar. You can see this is mushroom matar and methi paneer. They have option this one and dal makhani. This is, and this is onion pakoda here, and what it is, this is rice, like jeera rice, and fish pakoda. I think almost done. This is, and I think this is Mughlai chicken. This looks good. This is chicken, and this is goat curry here. So yes, so they have option this much. Henry, Misha, how are you feeling?
Good.
Good? Enjoying your lunch time? So this Christmas we explored this new place. I think this is also those who are living nearby this Bensland area. They have to visit this place. Must
What
visit.
should I put?
एवरी चटनी अच्छी है, ये लो इसमें से।
And the environment is also so nice.
इधर से
They have
चेक
so many
करो, यहाँ पे
things
स्कूल में देख चलो।
and very good place.
बहुत अच्छी है।
Wow.
So you're not done yet still?
वीडियो बनाएगी देखो।
What are you eating?
Rasgulla with roti.
Really? Okay. Wow. You liking it? Okay. What are you eating? You're not eating nothing?
I'm done.
Okay, you finished your food? And this is my plate almost done. Then I'm gonna take something else, and after that we're gonna done. So we were so hungry, so started eating first. So I'm making vlog little after later, like so after eating. So that's why I want to share with you with what we ate today for lunch. So now we got a hakka noodles. They have prepared this fresh ones. And now Misha is also eating hakka noodles. How's that? This is Thai or like Chinese hakka noodle, right?
It's an Indian hakka.
Indian hakka noodle. Okay. Sanvi, what are you drinking here?
I'm done.
This is the mango lassi and she's almost done.
It's normal.
So I hope that we like this food actually after Brindu, right?
Brindu, yeah.
No? What do you think? This is for onion only.
And what Misha is doing? Misha is still discovering her onions and tomatoes. What you eating?
We're done.
And you?
I'm done.
She's done with the goat curry. She's first ever tasted goat curry and she never liked it.
I don't like it. It's too weird.
How are you feeling now?
I'm tired.
Tull.
How are you dying?
After eating, like
देखो क्या था इंडिया में हमें चटनी के साथ मतलब प्याज के साथ हरी चटनी मिल गई ना तो समझ लो वो नॉर्थ इंडियन वाला काम है रायते वाली चटनी तो वहाँ ये मिल गई थी तो अच्छा था ये
अच्छा.
लेकिन बिरंगे में डोसा बना था भर भर के।
नहीं
आलू का डोसा।
So after eating this lunch, they're feeling that so tired. We're gonna go after that Patel Brothers to grab some thing like some groceries from there, and yes, it's good like experience where we are getting in right now here at Lamhe, and if you wanna come here, I'm gonna share the link down below so you can come and this area. This is good restaurant and dal makhani was amazing, right? What was the best thing in here?
दाल मखनी and paneer. Best part is that it's not spicy. Even kids can eat. Otherwise, if you're going in other restaurants, spicy. Every spoon you're taking with water. So it's your stomach getting filled. So go with
And-
these kind of mild
Yes.
spicy things.
And Miss Sanvi?
It
No?
was good.
Good?
My
Almost?
favorite was chicken, the fish fry.
Okay. And you, Misha?
Fish paratha or rasgulla cake.
Rasgulla. She was only eating this much. Not too much she ate. You want to eat something else too?
Let's eat samosa.
There's no samosa. There's no samosa.
So okay. So what are you eating? This is soft. Sweet soft after lunch. You can see.
Spicy हो जाता है। जैसे कुछ रेस्टोरेंट में
Of that.
इधर सारा मुंबई वाले काम
तो वहाँ समझ में आता है कि खाया जाता है।
साउथ वाला का थोड़ा डिफरेंट अलग ही स्वाद है मतलब
So ये हमारे रेस्टोरेंट के ओनर हैं तो जो बताएंगे कि इस रेस्टोरेंट में क्या क्या मिलता है और क्या क्या मेन्यू चेंज होते हैं।
यहाँ पे हर रोज़ बफे अलग अलग लगता है, कोई भी दिन हमारा बफे सेम नहीं रहता। यहाँ पे सुबह 11:30 से 3 बजे तक बफे रहता है।
अच्छा
3 बजे से लेकर रात के 10 बजे तक आला काट रहता है। हमारा रेस्टोरेंट पूरा दिन खुला रहता है।
अच्छा।
सिर्फ हम ट्यूसडे को ऑफ रखते हैं।
अच्छा ट्यूसडे को ऑफ है।
बंद रखते हैं। या।
तो ये हम लोग को मतलब डेली अगर आएंगे रोज अगर डेली आए तो चेंज मेन्यू मिलेगा मतलब हमें।
आपको हर रोज चेंज
चलो।
मिलेगा,
अच्छा, अच्छा।
खाना मिलेगा।
अच्छा।
आप-
और इन्होंने
हमारे पास
बताया भी
मेन्यू है।
अच्छा,
हमारे
अच्छा।
पास 100 से मोर आइटम है हमारे
अच्छा,
पास।
अच्छा।
डेजर्ट है और
अच्छा।
सारी कोई भी चीज़ यहाँ से रेडीमेड नहीं आती, सारा यहीं पे बनता है हमारा।
अच्छा ये तो बहुत अच्छी ऑप्शन मिला मुझे। और इन्होंने बताया कि रात में भी इन्होंने ऑप्शन रखे हुए हैं और इन्होंने हमें भी दिखाया पूरा मेन्यू दिखाया कितना अच्छा इनका मेन्यू कार्ड है।
राइट्स है,
हाँ ये देखिए आपके कितने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं।
एपिटाइजर है, नॉन वेज एपिटाइजर है।
बहुत ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं। अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ अभी बफे ट्राई किया है, फर्स्ट टाइम हम आए थे तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्सपीरियंस और हम चाहते हैं दूसरी बार और बार बार आते रहें आपके इस रेस्टोरेंट में। तो बस बहुत अच्छा
अगली बार
लगा।
आइए, आपको
हाँ।
कुछ नया टेस्ट करवाएंगे, आपको सेम फूड देंगे।
Thank you for giving your review and I was very hesitating about talking to you but thank you for giving your thank you. Very nice day. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
चलो मिलते हैं फिर। हाँ।
So this was our Lamha restaurant, flavorful desi moment, and this is Indian restaurant in Bensalem, and they have buffet and banquet both. So this is a big restaurant. So if you're looking for some good meal here in nearby Bensalem, so this is best option. You must try. You have to come here and eat your lovely food from here. So till then, see you again with the next vlog and we are going home now. Bye.